What is up, guys? It is Short, and today we are going to be unboxing the Halo Infinite Limited Edition Xbox Series X. Now, I am super excited. I've been a Halo fan all my life, and I'm so happy when I was able to get this. I had a bunch of other things Halo-related pre-ordered, but they're not coming at least until maybe tomorrow, so I'll probably add a part 2 to this if you guys want to see that. Anyways, let's get into unboxing this. Actually, let me be the first one to look at this, because I have not done it yet. Oh gosh, that looks so good. Hold on. I'll do the little unboxing side for you guys too. Check that out. That looks absolutely sick. So let's get this out of the box. I'll move this box to the side somewhere. Cold to the touch. Wow. Alright. So it seems like this opens from here. So let's see if I can open this without breaking. Okay. Even the wrapping of this has the stars from Delta Halo. That is extremely sick looking. So the whole packaging of this is incredible. The whole packaging of that is incredible. So I'm wondering if I can just slide this out without really ruining the packaging too much. This Xbox looks incredible. I'm gonna have to ruin the packaging a little bit. Debatable. Actually, hold on. I may be able to get it like this. Yep. Okay. This is the back of the limited edition console, and this is the console itself. This thing looks incredible. Alright, so this is the limited edition Halo console. This is exactly what it looks like. It is super nice, super clean. You can even see the blue in the vents over here, which is really nice. This whole console feels good. There's gold for the start button. It is amazing to hold one in my hands and actually be able to be saying I finally have a Halo limited edition console. I've never had one before in my life. So let's open up the rest of the box and see what's in it. So you have the digital code as well. Digital Direct, or if this is just how to set it up. So I do like that there's a UNFC logo here. So we have our standard HDMI thing to link to the power. And, almost forgot about this, a limited edition Halo Infinite controller, which looks incredible next to the console. And this is what the other controller looked like that you would get with the other consoles. So this is super nice, super cool. What's weird is I don't see a digital code on here anywhere. So I'm not really sure what's going on with that. But anyways, I'm gonna go set this up so we could take a look at what it sounds like when it's on, and I will be right back. Alright, so let's see how this sounds turning on. Alright, now let's see how it sounds turning off. It's actually really cool. Alright, so that is it for me. I'm gonna just play some Halo today because I heard it came out. So I'm gonna enjoy myself. You guys enjoy your day, and I will see you next time.